Hi, I'm Marshall Cohen, and I just wanted to comment briefly on the election. The election has finally been called for Joe Biden, and I'm very happy. I wanted to read something from his website that I think hopefully sums up his true intentions and his true thoughts regarding immigration. It is a moral failing and a national shame when a father and his baby daughter drown seeking our shores. When children are locked away in overcrowded detention centers and the government seeks to keep them there indefinitely. When our government argues in court against giving these children toothbrushes and soap. And when President Trump uses family separation as a weapon against desperate mothers, fathers, and children seeking safety and a better life. I really hope that in the Biden administration, and I trust that this will happen, that the rule of law replaces random acts of cruelty, that due process and equal protection replace blatant violations of both the letter of the law and the intent of the immigration laws, and finally that executive orders are used judiciously and not as an end around established immigration law. I'm hoping for better times, and I think they're coming for people who are in the United States and seeking to immigrate legally.